Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how you can create those viral ASMR style videos without using Google Veo 3. Now, Veo 3 by Google is an incredible tool, but it's only available in certain countries. So if you're living outside those regions, it can be pretty frustrating. That's why I found a simpler and more accessible alternative that works from anywhere in the world, and gets you similar results, just like Google Veo 3 does. Let's start by opening ChatGPT. Once you're in, go to the GPTs section and search for a GPT called Make ASMR Images and Prompts. This GPT model was designed to help you generate both the idea and the perfect image prompt. Super convenient, right? Click Start Chat, and simply type in an object along with a color. For example, you could enter something like red apple or yellow banana. The GPT will instantly generate a detailed, ready-to-use prompt that you can feed into a text-to-image generator. It'll then ask you if you want to generate the image. Just type yes. Next, it'll ask for the aspect ratio, TikTok or YouTube. Choose whichever format you prefer, let's say TikTok for now, and it will generate an image accordingly. The best part? You can keep experimenting by changing the object or color. Want a green apple instead of red? Just type it in, and the GPT will give you a fresh prompt. I tried everything from bananas to melons and got excellent results each time. You can also switch formats midway. If you ask the GPT to change from TikTok to YouTube format, it will automatically adjust the aspect ratio in the next image it generates. However, while ChatGPT is great for prompt generation, it doesn't produce the most realistic images. That's why I've connected it with a much better image generation tool, Leonardo AI. Click the first link provided in the chat to go to Leonardo AI. Once you're in, head over to the Images tab, then click Models and Presets, and select Lucid Realism, one of the best models for generating highly realistic visuals. Next, set the aspect ratio. Choose 9:16 for TikTok or 16:9 for YouTube. Since we're sticking with TikTok for this example, we'll use 9:16. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt it gave you, and paste it into Leonardo AI. Hit generate, and in a few seconds, you'll get amazing visuals. I tested this with several prompts, like yellow banana and green apple, and each one turned out really well, even when using the YouTube format. Once you're happy with the images, download them and return to ChatGPT, where I've also shared a link to the best image-to-video generator, Kling AI. Kling is an awesome tool that transforms your static images into dynamic videos, with sound, just like Google Veo 3. Click the link to access Kling, and once you're inside, go to the video section. Upload the image you created in Leonardo AI. Now you'll need to describe what should happen in the video. For example, you could type something like, an apple being sliced with a static camera view. To make sure Kling understands your idea perfectly, click on DeepSeek. This feature rewrites your prompt into a more structured version for the AI to process accurately. Once you see the revised prompt, review it and click Use Prompt. It's important to read through it carefully. I once had a prompt where the AI added liquid splashing out of the apple, totally not what I wanted. So I tweaked it a bit to get the right output. Remember, the clearer and more specific your prompt, the better the video. Kling AI takes your words literally, so crafting the right instruction is key. You can also use my sample prompts for reference if you're unsure. Another cool feature is that Kling AI automatically adds sound effects to your videos. So there you go. That's how you can create stunning, viral ASMR style videos without relying on Google Veo 3. Thanks a lot for watching. And hey, if you're still curious about using Google Veo 3 directly, I have already made a short tutorial on how to access it from any country for free. You can find that video right here.